Do you want to create high-quality blog content, emails, and Facebook ads in minutes instead of hours? You already know that content creation isn't easy. It takes a tremendous amount of time and effort to come up with ideas that are unique, valuable, and interesting for your audience. Creating quality content on a regular basis is one of the most difficult parts of running your own business, online. It's excruciatingly time-consuming, and many entrepreneurs struggle to find ways to write more frequently without sacrificing quality. Now, AI isn't capable of writing entire blog posts in the same way as you or an outsourced writer will. But AI will help you streamline the process and create workable drafts, fast. Improving your process around writing, outlining, and drafting blog posts is the path to creating high-quality content in just minutes. Let the AI do the research for you and suggest compelling titles, write engaging introductions, create persuasive bullet points, organize your outlines, and more. By focusing on the process of blogging and integrating AI technologies, you can save time and create more great content. Meet Jarvis, the future of writing. Artificial intelligence makes it fast and easy to create content for your blog, social media, website, and more.